How to get Claude Anthropic key? So you need to go to the website console.anthropic.com. So this is where you can get your API key for a lot of your stuff that you want to do. Put your organization name, your industry. So the industry that I will select is consulting. Website, just put your decoding data science, your company website. Create account. So for using Anthropic API, the first thing is even if you want to get a key, create a key, just put um, first key and add, you will get a key here. So this is your key that you can use, but to activate this key you need to add your credit card details that is there. So let me just copy this, close. So this is a free plan. API keys are owned by workspaces and active even after this is created. So billing, you need to at least add something here, $5 to start with. To get started with Anthropic API, purchase some credit. So add billing information to get started with API and Workbench. Complete setup. I will just say it is a small and medium. I will just put all the details here. All the countries are not mentioned here, so I will just put yes. So for now I'll just put no as internal purposes. What task? Experimentation. For now no. Then I will do continue. So this is adding your billing information. Basic, you need to add your credit card details, and then I will not share this, and then once you to continue, you can use it. So let me just pause this time and put my card and then continue. So once I put my credit card details, I will just load $5. That is enough for me to start working with it. No auto reload. $5 is enough to start working with, and then I'll purchase the credit. So $5 is a minimum that you need to use, and it will just take some time. Issued. So now my this thing is working. So the key that I have copied, I can take that key and go to the notebook, but I need to save it somewhere as well, but I'm not able to know where to save it. Let me just send it to my WhatsApp, and this is working. So this is how to get that Anthropic key and play around with it, and minimum $5 is good enough, and you can start exploring this amazing usage of Claude Anthropic, which gives you opportunity to do a lot of work. Thank you.